Hello and welcome to Monkey's Paperpalooza Craft Corner. Today we are going to do a product review of Pinkfresh Studio's Grab Box. She is currently sold out of these, but I wanted to show you exactly what you get in one of these grab boxes. And I'm going to warn you, we are going to run out of space. Alright, so first we're going to show you the wonderful little fabric glitter tape that comes with it, as well as a bunch of the little add-ons. Now, there are tons of these little packs of chipboard stickers, like you have this one here. This wonderful little packet there. And a lot of these are discontinued ones that she's taking out of circulation, but she puts them in beautiful little collections for us. Next is some of the layered paper stickers, which have some beautiful 3D dimension to them. A lot of her products have a lot of texture to them, so it's great for card making or scrapbooking. Perfect for what you need to do for your projects. And these are some beautiful little puff letters in like a red, copperish, rose gold metallic puff. And then, staying in the same theme of letters here, I'm going to show you her puff rainbow letters. Aren't they fun? Now, these are also some little puff stickers. A lot of these I don't regularly use on my projects. Some of them I really have fallen in love with. Like I love these leather stickers. They're really fun. Look at this. We're already running out of space. That's what happens when you get one of these grab boxes. There is so much in them that you will never know how much space you don't have. And these are some little epoxy stickers. We've got that beautiful epoxy sheen to them. And these are her little Infera packs, I think they're called. They have like little leaves and die cuts in them, and sentiments and message boxes. Here are some more letters, a little red and gold chipboard letter. And you'll notice they have the series on the top. She tries to make sure she keeps a bunch of the series together so that you have stuff you can mix together. That way it's not one piece that you're probably never going to use. And there's those beautiful little stickers there. There's a ton of these sticker packs. Well over $100 value in this kit. There's some more puffy stickers. Right, and here's another one of those little Infera packs. This is the case of the blahs. I mean, there's different ones, like I said. She has them in groups so that you can use them together. Like this one is a case of the blahs. You know, where we have these are her heart series. I mean, there's the series. I'll separate these into series later so that you can see what you can get to use together. And all these, her grab boxes usually have the same amount of items, but it may be different items. Like I said, it all depends on what she has. But she tries, like she says, to put them in series so that they can be used together. And then these are nice little wood stickers. There's some little fabric stickers. When I ordered this kit, I realized that probably a lot of it I probably personally will not use because they're just not my kind of projects that I would do. But the one thing I was thinking is this might be prizes for some contests we have going on both Facebook as well as Instagram. So those are little fat stitch stars, and those are some epoxy dots. Now this is the real reason I bought this kit. I love her stamp kits. And when I heard that there was a stamp included also, I was like, yes, because the stamp and the millions of paper she gives me in this kit is worth the $37 I paid for it fully. Everything else is just extra. Now this is one of her little 6x6 paper things, and they are just beautiful papers. I'll open it up later so you can see what it has, but you get a pad of that, all those fun papers. And then we have these beautiful foiled vellums. We have a bird kind of motif vellum, as well as a geometric triangle vellum, which is kind of fun. And then she gives you a bunch of loose paper shades, 12 by 12, double-sided, and they are absolutely beautiful. I mean, just think of the fun you can have with these kits. And like I said, even they are part of the series, so you can mix and match them with all the little extras she adds in them. And then she gives you a pack of 12 by 12 double sheeted. Like I said, just the paper and the stamp is well worth the $37. Not even including all the little extras she adds in this. So definitely think about purchasing this. I am very happy I did, because look at all this stuff. Like I said, we are going to run out of room, and we did. There is so much in these boxes. It is literally, oh, sorry for the dirty arm. I was doing some work with some ink and I got some on my arm. You get so much in this pack that it is totally huge. She literally sends it in a medium flat rate box. It is full of stuff. But like I said, just the papers and the stamps to me is worth the $37. All the others are extra to me. That's why I'm thinking some of them might actually be some prizes for you guys. So stay tuned for that at the end. I'll tell you about some of the things that we have going on. But like I said, these are all in series. So let's go into the series. Now the first part is the stuff that doesn't have a series. Of course, the glitter fabric tape, the epoxy dots, the Infera pack is just a common one, and the puffy stickers. They're really not any part of any series, but they are fun to add to any of your series that you already have. And like, look at these. Aren't these fun? Little stickers with different shapes and stuff. These have a lot of different little elements in there, and they show you all the elements on the back. I mean, they're just something, little cute little things you can use for scrapbooking or card making. Just to add a little bit of texture and shape to your cards or your scrapbook pages. And this is beautiful. It's not adhesive, but I mean, you can always add your own adhesive. And sometimes I find putting your own adhesive is better anyway. And then these enamel dots are just beautiful. They're glitter. We've got silver and gold. Very common colors you would use. So next, I am going to go into this series. This is part of a holiday series. It's got this red and gold little chipboard letters, and you get two sides with all the little letters. You just pop them out and stick them on your project. Next will be I think it was the mix. You get those beautiful stitch stars. And I thought they were strung together, but they actually are single stars with just a little stitching on them, which is kind of cool too. I thought at first, oh, it's a garland, but it's not. It's just got some stitching, which is a fun dimensional piece to put to any card or scrapbook. And then you got these beautiful epoxy dots. And they have this crystal clear coating, almost like what you get when you put your enamel accents or something on a piece of paper. You get that clear look to them. But at least these are already done for you. Now this is the boys fort. These are wood little letters that have sticker on them, so they are definitely a piece of either balsa wood or whatever type of wood with screen printing on them. Now this was a lone sheet of paper, and it is a beautiful little piece of paper. And look at that. Rise and shine. Isn't it pretty? Double-sided paper. Alright, so now we have this one, the Dream On. This has the little leather stickers on it, as well as these little rubber add-ons that are beautiful. And this, of course, beautiful vellum. Next is the case of the Blahs. Now, honestly, this is really not my taste for most things I do, but I do love some of them for some of those adventurous, fun things. So you get all this little Infera pack with all that stuff in it, plus these little sticker pieces to add to it with all these little sentiments. There's also fabric stickers, which are really fun too, and you get a little taste of each one in there on the back. And then, of course, the 12 by 12, 16 sheets of reversible paper. And they are double-sided, huge sheets, so definitely fun. That is that little series. And this series is the BU. That's got that gold, kind of coppery sticker letters, which are really fun. And a bunch of paper of the loose sheets were also part of the series. And like I said, they're double-sided. So really pretty. You can use them for multiple projects. Like, I love this pattern. It's like so pretty. And then you get this beautiful reverse. Really fun little square design with a little stitching on the back. Some very leafy geometric shapes. Really fun stuff for, like I said, for what you paid for it. I mean, $37. I think it was like $100 and something value. It was a lot of value to it. So definitely worth it. If she puts one up again, take advantage of it. Best way to get a little bit of a variety of her products. All right, and these are the foil chipboard stickers. And that was the ones I showed you first in the first part of the video. They're really cool. And that is part of this series also, along with the geometric vellum. Now this is the one she gave everything with, pretty much, because of course she has a stamp set for it. That is why she put as much more into this. So you get that beautiful stamping, and you can layer these stamps together to make different colors, which is really fun. There is leather stickers in this one also, which are really beautiful, as well as some puffy stickers, which have the fun little hearts and flowers and birds, as well as some sentiments. The little puffy letters are also part of this series, as well as these wonderful layered ones. And of course you got this mini paper pack, which is also very nice. I mean, they give you a taste of what's in there, and they are single-sided. And then you get these big paper sheets. And like the others, they are reversible, so you get multiple sides for use. So you can mix and match them together. You can flip them over, fold them in half. Some people use them for paper crafts where they need like pinwheels and stuff like that. So like I said, to me, just with this paper and the stamp set, I say the $37 value is well worth it. Now, if you want all the little extra stuff that came with it, then yes, go crazy. Take advantage of this. Yes, this stuff is discontinued, but you know what? No one's going to know it but you. So take advantage of her grab boxes. They are fun. They are jacked full of stuff. They come in series so that you can mix and match them versus having to worry about, oh, I have nothing I can match with this with. It's going to be absolutely useless to me. No, she puts them together in series so that you can mix and match the pieces together. Which is good because honestly, nobody wants to get a grab box of one thing that doesn't go with anything else they have in the box. Because she knows you're going to create things with it and she knows you want to have things that go together. But like I said, just the stamp and the paper to me is worth it. All these little stickers and puffy letters and glitter dots and everything are just extras that are so fantastic. I am so happy with this kit. I'm going to open this up to show you what the papers look like in here because they are very pretty. I scooted through them when I opened it up, but I didn't really look them in detail. So let me see if I can get this open. One day I cut my nails. It's the day I need to pull a sticker off. We got it. We almost got it. There we go. All right, so look at these papers. Her papers are beautiful. I never am disappointed by her papers. And I love this company and their products. It's just so pretty. And she sells a lot. She has a lot of sales usually on her stuff too. And she always comes out with new beautiful things. So definitely, next time she has a grab box available, grab them. It's totally worth it. It's a great way to save yourself some money getting these products. You get a taste of her products and all the different things. That way you know what you fall in love with. Now, contest alert. We said there's going to be contests coming on. So on Facebook, please follow me. I'll leave a link below. We are going to do a monthly contest with the My Monthly Hero Kit, so please share to win at our Facebook page. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below. We are also going to be starting Message Board Mondays, so definitely check that out on Instagram, where you can also win a prize. And if you like this video, please check out the last uploaded video, as well as a video specially uploaded just for you. And like always, we ask you to like, subscribe, and ring for notifications with this icon, and make sure to join our mailing list for crafty sales as well as newsletters.